Hi everyone, it's Kathy, and I'm back with a different kind of a journal this time. This is a cute little accordion type journal that was featured in Somerset magazine, and I saw a video done by Creative Cafe Girl who she explained in detail how to make that according to what was in Sunset magazine. So I give her the credit for this journal, yet we all put our own little fine touches to our design. So if you want to see the video on how to create this, go visit her website, her YouTube channel at Creative Cafe Girl. So it's an accordion type journal. It measures about 7.5 inches in length, and each page is about 3 inches. The closure is just a piece of coffee dyed muslin that just wraps around to hold it closed. The front cover, you can see it's just some collage, and I used Tim Holtz paper dolls. And you open the page here, and there's another collage with a bunch of little snippets, a collage of fabrics, and a button. And then right here in this section is a mini journal, some pages for you to do your journaling. I didn't want to make it too bulky, so I left a lot of space for journal entries, some stitching, doily, ledger paper, and then another page. And these were all done with the backing of them as time cards. So another page, again with some collage and a little pocket here. And then you turn this one and you get another paper doll and some collage again, and then more journal pages, and then a glassine bag with a little mini journal inside. Some stamping. All the papers have been coffee dyed. Decorations, torn pages, stitching, lots of room for journaling, stamping, and the other side of the bag is a journal card. Some graph paper with stamping, and then another page, again, more collage of lace and buttons, vintage photo, and then you flip that page over and another paper doll with some book page and a tuck spot here. This is another journal, pocket here, some stitching, tracing paper, another pocket, a tuck spot, and then another collage page with another paper doll. And then the back page is another tuck spot with more collage work. And then the back of the journal is another accordion, and it opens up like that. So there's, you flip this page and there's another journal and more collage paper and more pages for journaling. I hope you can see this. I'm trying to do the best I can to allow you to see the whole thing. Tuck spot or a pocket. More journal pages. Another pocket with a tag. More journal pages, doilies, some lace. And then we come to another page, which is another tuck spot, another paper doll, and a little booklet. A couple of pages here. Some lace and book page. Again, then you flip this one over and you've got another page with vintage image, and then a glassine envelope with a little journaling card. And then that will just tuck in there. Some writing paper, another paper doll, stamping, and coffee dyed paper that I did using a doily. And that's the, actually that was the front side of it, and that was the back side. And then another glassine bag with another little booklet. More journaling pages. Another tuck spot. And the other side of the glassine bag with another little booklet. More of that coffee dyed paper. More paper dolls. They're so cute. And then another page. A lot of collage on here. Some fabric, bingo card, doily, and then you're back to the front cover. So I'm going to try to open it all up so you could see how it is. I don't know how well that's going to take on the camera, but this is the front side. Just opens up like that, and then you flip it over and it opens up like that. So there's journaling on the front and back. So this one, this journal can be purchased by contacting me at kathycadile@yahoo.com, and I'll give you the details. So again, thank you, Creative Cafe Girl Susie, for your great explanation on how to create this journal. I appreciate everyone out there who does tutorials and shares their talents with us. And if you have not seen Sunset Magazine, or Somerset Magazine, I'm sorry, Somerset Magazine, take a look at it. There's a lot of great ideas in there, very talented people who share their gifts with us, and I really appreciate it. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to do so at kathycadile. Sorry, I'm getting it confused. If you haven't subscribed, do so, and just tap the little bell to get notifications. Again, if you want to purchase the journal, contact me at kathycadile@yahoo.com. Thanks again, and I'm sorry for some of the mistakes I've made and getting confused with what I'm doing at times. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.